Welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explaining how to create your PC second user. So I hope you like this video and I hope subscribe our channel. So guys, today video start. So now first double click your Windows logo icon and click settings and go home. Okay, click accounts and click family and others users. Add someone else on this PC. So I'm click another account, another user. So I don't have my Microsoft account, so I'm just create a user. So don't need Microsoft account, so I don't have this person signing informations. Okay, then just a moment and create an account. So I am add without Microsoft account, click and create your user this PC. So I'm create just my mom. Okay, and enter password, type anything. Okay, re-enter password and তারপর Enquiries forget your password, security question 1, and what is your paid name? Okay, I'm just typing cat. Okay, and security question 2, what is our nickname? And this pretty. Okay, and security question 3rd, and what is the name of city where your parents meets? The name of your oldest cousin, and name of the first school attend, and city where you born. So this is Dhaka. Okay, just click next and mom user account ready. So now click on mom account and change type accounts. So you can need sign out this account. So just your Windows icon and click X. This is my username, and mom, just click and just switch this username. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, share.